When a monochromatic point source of light is at a distance of 0.2 meter from a photoelectric cell, the cutoff voltage and the saturation current are respectively 0.6 volt and 18 milliampere. If the same source is placed 0.6 meter away, this is wrong, away from the photoelectron cell, when number one, the stopping potential will be 0.2 volt, stopping potential will be 0.6 volt, saturation current will be 6 milliampere and saturation current will be 2 milliampere. This has been asked in IIT 92 for 2 marks. So regarding this has been asked for stopping potential and saturation current. So as we know, this stopping potential V naught, हम जानते हैं कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ इमिटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन एनर्जी ऑफ द इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन एंड माइनस वर्क फंक्शन. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टू थिंग्स, kinetic energy, and this will be overcome by stopping potential. So this will be equal to EV naught, right? So this part will be equal to EV naught. So this stopping potential ये किन चीज पर डिपेंड करता है? It depends on energy of the incident radiation and secondly a work function of the metal. So by increasing distance, now it is given in problem the distance increasing from 0.2 meter to 0.6 meter. So by increasing the distance of the source from the cell, neither of the two changes, hence unchanged, right? So this stopping potential will be unchanged, and it is given in the problem that initially it is 0.6 volt. So even yet it is at this time also it is 0.6 volt. So our option B is correct. Now second option, point source is here and we are increasing the distance. So as we know that intensity is proportional to 1 by r square. So with increase in distance between source and the photocell, the intensity goes on decreasing. I proportional to 1 by r square. So when r increases from 0.2 meter to 0.6 meter, that is 3 times, right? I reduces 9 times, so I must decrease 9 times, and initially it was 18 milliampere. So this will be equal to, I dash will be equal to 18 by 9, so it will be equal to 2 milliampere. So this option D will also be correct. The saturation current will be equal to 0.2 milliampere. Okay.